Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about Reef Finance. In this video, I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the Reef. But my friends, before starting this video, I also request everybody to click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. My friends, the currently latest price of the Reef Finance in the market is 0.015123 USD dollar. That is the currently latest in live price of the Reef Finance in the market. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the changes occurring in the Reef Finance, so now the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, changes occurs in the Reef Finance is a negative. Completely the prices jumps. Completely the price jumps. Let me show you the price chart of the Reef Finance. Oh, that is last 1 day price chart, and you can see here. Just look here. There's really amazing changes occurring in Reef Finance, pump and dump. So my friends, from this is our lesson that we can't see about the future. Sometimes the price jumps, sometimes the price pumps. So now, due to currently updates, the thanks that the current update is positive, thanks God. So my friends, now I recommend for all of you again that I think it's still opportunity for all of you to hold and buy more and more Reef Finance. If these kind of changes continue in a Reef Finance, so I hope that they will give you profit, not loss in the future. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Reef Finance? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.